Bullish ADA cost forecast certainly is $0.4253 to $0.5689 in a significant manner. Cardano ADA cost could likewise reach $2 soon. Negative ADA cost expectation for 2023 is $0.2521. In Cardano ADA cost expectation 2023, we use measurements cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about ADA to dissect the future development of the cryptographic money in an unpretentious manner. What truly is Cardano ADA? Cardano ADA is the local essentially badge of the Cardano blockchain. This manageable blockchain basically utilizes the confirmation of stake POS agreement instrument Ouroboros. This third-age blockchain, at first in every practical sense, existed as a layer 1 arrangement. At last, the layer 2 update, Hydra, for the most part was coordinated onto the current organization in late 2021. Cardano has been worked as an overhauled adaptation of Ethereum's Brilliant Agreements organization. Besides, it fundamentally means to scale the permissionless idea of the DeFi space and help the mission of banking the unbanked. Cardano ADA value expectation 2023. Or so they thought. Cardano stands firm on the 7th foothold on CoinGecko at the present time, or so they fundamentally thought. ADA cost expectation 2023 for the most part is made sense of underneath with a day-to-day time span. Climbing channel design, otherwise called the rising channel. The upper and lower pattern lines that interface the new records all around individually seem to move inside a rising slant, which is very huge. This example is for the most part a kind of quality of a bullish pattern. Right now, Cardano ADA especially is in the scope of $0.403772. In the event that the example proceeds, the cost of ADA could arrive at the obstruction levels of $0.4226 and $0.4586. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of ADA might tumble to $0.3871 and $0.3469. Cardano ADA backing and opposition levels. The diagram beneath most certainly shows the help and obstruction levels of Cardano ADA in a significant way. From the above everyday time period, we can obviously decipher the accompanying as the opposition and backing levels for Cardano ADA in a significant way. The diagrams show that Cardano has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, ADA could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its obstruction level at $0.5689. Likewise, in the event that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Cardano could sort of plunge to nearly $0.2521, a negative sign, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Cardano ADA value expectation 2023 RVOL, MAMA, and RSI, or so they thought. The sort of relative volume RVOL of Cardano explicitly is displayed in the graph beneath, or so they thought. It fundamentally is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume, or so they truly thought. Right now, the RVOL of ADA in every way that really matters lies beneath the N line, demonstrating frail members and the latest thing, which is genuinely huge. Likewise, the moving pretty normal MAMA of Cardano by and large is displayed in the graph above in a for the most part significant manner. Eminently, the Cardano cost in a real sense lies over 50 MAMA, present moment, so it truly isn't an upswing, or so they truly thought. Right now, Cardano has entered a negative state. Hence, there explicitly is plausible of a truly inversion pattern of Cardano whenever. In the meantime, the overall strength list, RSI of the ADA, is 58.08. This implies that Cardano is in an overbought state. In any case, this implies a significant value inversion of Cardano might happen in the impending days. Thus, merchants need to painstakingly exchange. Cardano ADA value expectation 2023 ADX RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the exceptionally normal directional record ADX of Cardano, or so they thought. It in a real sense assists with estimating the exceptionally high and large strength of the pattern. For the most part, the pointer certainly is the normal of the extending cost range values in a huge manner. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings, utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of Cardano ADA. At present, the ADX of ADA lies in the scope of 16.6152, and hence, it shows a fundamentally solid pattern, or so they truly thought. The above outline additionally addresses the overall instability file, RVI of Cardano, ADA. RVI estimates the truly consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined timeframe. The RVI of ADA lies over 50, demonstrating sort of high unpredictability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of Cardano, ADA, generally is at 58.08 in this way, affirming a potential in a real sense purchase signal. Correlation of ADA with BTC, ETH. The underneath diagram shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and Cardano, ADA, which truly is genuinely critical. From the above graph, it tends to be deciphered that ETH, BTC, and ADA especially are moving in a comparable pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ETH and ADA additionally increment or lessening individually. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2024 to 2030. Various elements are considered while estimating costs, including volume changes, cost varieties, market cycles, and comparative coins. We should really anticipate the cost of Cardano, ADA, somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030, or so they thought. Cardano, ADA, value forecast 2024 with a few overhauls in the organization. Cardano, ADA, could enter a bullish direction. In the event that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, ADA could energize to fundamentally hit $4 by 2024. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2025. If Cardano, ADA, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, ADA would truly mobilize to hit $6. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2026. If Cardano, ADA, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the sort of next 4 years, ADA would especially mobilize to really hit $8 in an unpretentious manner. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2027. If Cardano, ADA, supports significant obstruction levels and proceeds to basically be perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, ADA would energize to hit $12, or so they most certainly thought. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2028. If Cardano, ADA, holds up areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years, in the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unstable crypto market, which is genuinely critical. By driving critical cost rallies, ADA would basically hit $15 in 2028, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Cardano, ADA, value forecast 2029. On the off chance that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Cardano, ADA, it would observe significant spikes. ADA could hit $19 by 2029. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2030. With more noteworthy progressions in the Cardano environment, the crypto local area could truly proceed to generally put resources